Then at line 22, Sergeant Mokhane, we look for him until we discover that he stays in Phokeng in Rustenburg.
Uma ke sibheka futhi ufakazi uMokhane ke siye samcinga saze sathola ukuthi ke uhlala lapha ke ePhokeng eRustenburg.
Then the last line on the page, Sergeant Mokhane, we eventually got him in June.
Uma ke sibheka ke line yokugcina ke uthi uMokhane ke sagcina ke sesimtholile ke ngoJune.
Then his evidence continues on page 15.
May I just be allowed to respond, because what you have just put on record now, it's a lot of information. I might end up forgetting some of the things.
Yes, by all means, just go ahead.
Ungaqhubeka. Ngiphinde futhi ngifunde futhi. Okay, the accused is asking my lord if I can interpret again this document.
Yes.
Yebo ke uye waqala ngithi ke la umzana baloyi esho ukuthi umzana Mokhane washo ke ngalenkathi ethula ufakazi bakhe ke mhla ka 2 November ngo2023 sikuthola lokhu ke case number 13 ke ufakazini bakhe ke ngalenkathi uMokhane ethi ke siye saqala ke samfuna sathola ukuthi nokuthi ke khona amanye amacala futhi anawo ngaphandle kwaleli alimele la enkantolo.
Okay.
Yimi lapho.
Yeah. Because enkantolo anginamacala.
My lord, I don't have other cases.
Mabangisho phambi kwakho mangacela njengamathi naka amaphoyisa khona angisakwana ngoma siyoproof ukuthi icala nalo anginacala because enkantolo.
My lord, we do have police officials that are present in court today. If I can be taken to Nongoma to go and investigate or check if I have any matters, I don't have any outstanding matters.
Siphinde because enkantolo abangifunanga yimi ngibadirectile ukuthi ngihlala.
And secondly, my lord, they never looked for me. I am the one who gave them the direction of where I resided.
Yebo, ngicela ukuqhubeka.
Aphinde ke uMokhane ethi ke sahamba ke sasesiwafuna ke lawo macala lawa sawathola. uMokhane makakhuluma la enkantolo ngofakazi bakhe.
Because enkantolo ngiphinda akulona iqiniso lawo ekamacala eze lapha ecourt.
My lord, I'll just like to repeat myself again. I don't have any outstanding matters.
Kwanongoma kunama CID akhona, kune station commando sakhona.
At Kwanongoma, we do have CIDs, we do have a station commander there.
Akezanga lapha ecourt, azoqinisekisa ukuthi uyangifuna.
Those were never called before the court to come and inform or testify before the court that they were looking for me.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Siphinde siqhubeke futhi ke uthi ke umzana uMokhane ngalenkathi ethula ufakaza ufakazi bakhe la enkantolo siye sahamba ke sahlala phansi ke saba naye ingxoxo nayo Brigadier Giminda futhi sasihlangana futhi nayo Sergeant Mokhona. Ngiqhubeka.
Yeah, ngiyaqhubeka.
Athi ke uMokhane futhi ke ngoDecember ke sasesihlaba umkhosi ke samfuna yonke indawo.
Okay. Njengamanje lapha phambi kwesekatolo akachaza ukuthi imuphi uDecember lo bengifuna ngawo. Usimisho ngiyayithatha ngani njengenzwabethu njengani ngakuthi ukhohlisa ikatolo ngale ayikhulumayo.
My lord, from what he testified before the court, he does not even specify exactly which December is he talking about, which year is he talking about. I will take this as just a hearsay evidence that he was just trying to mislead the court.
Ngoba mina ekhaya ngekuhlala ngangithola ngoDecember kwesekatolo.
Because
ngekuhlala ngangithola.
there is no way that you will not find me in the homelands in December and that you will not find me in the traditional dance.
Yebo, ngiyaqhubeka sisi.
Ethi ke uMokhane futhi ke lokufunda umntwana baloyi siye samfuna sasesithola ukuthi ke uhlala lapha ePhokeng eRustenburg.
Because enkantolo ngiphinde futhi angihlala ePhokeng because enkantolo. Ngihlala eFreedom Park.
Just to repeat myself again, my lord, I don't stay at Phokeng, I stay in Freedom Park.
iPhokeng ngenye indawo nami ngihlala kwenye indawo, izindawo ezihlukene.
Phokeng is a different area from where I stay.
Yeah.
Uthi ke uthi uMokhane ke sagcina ke simthola ke ngoJune.
Angathi futhi phambi kwecourt wangithola akathi mina ngaba direct umkhulu esikhathi engifanele ukuthi ngihlala kuphi.
He must not say that he found me, my lord. He must just tell the court that I am the one who directed him or them of where I resided.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mr.
Thank you, my lord.
Tanzi, you are saying that Sergeant Mokhane does not specify as to which or December of which year they were looking for you. But if you look at line 20, Sergeant Mokhane says late 2019 and early. We asked him which year. Then at line 20 said late 2019 and early 2020.
Uthi ke umbuso ke Mzansi Ntanzi ke uye wabeka nawo la inkantolo ke ukuthi ke uMzansi Mokhane akabeki la inkantolo ukuthi kahle kahle ke unyaka uDecember umuphunyaka lo akhuluma ngaye. Uthi ke umbuso ke uma ungabheka ke manje mase siqhubekela phambili ke siye sambuza ukuthi muphi unyaka wasephendula ethi ke ekupheleni kwa2019 noma ke ekuqale nje kwa2020.
ingakho nje ngiphendula uqhuluma phambi kwase katolo ngithi lento ukuthi uzokhohlisa ikatolo la uthi namacala kwanongoma ngenamacala kunamacala kwanongoma.
My Lord, that is why I'm also repeating myself that this thing that he's doing to come to the court and lie before the court to say that I have other cases. I don't have other cases, my Lord.
Ngoba mangikhumbula kahle 2019 angisayikhumbula ingoma noma ibiseGqikazi kwanongoma noma ibisemzini wenkosi enyokeni angisakhumbuli lo ukuthi noma lo ma data ayi2.
And I also cannot recall exactly where the traditional dance was that year, whether at Gqikazi or at the royal home in Nyogeni.
Manje lapha ngikita khona ingoma lekhi poison ngekho.
And where I normally participate in the traditional dance, alikhi phoyisa lingekho.
Alikhi poison ngekho ngisho inkosi phela iyafika ibuka ingoma isiphinde yahamba namabhodi kadala.
The police will be there, even the Royal Highness himself will come in with his bodyguard to come and look and participate.
Manje mina ngiyamangala kule khona msazokutshela ukuthi nginecala kwanongoma akufika i-station commander nalo muntu obala uthi ngabula la umuntu kwanongoma akazangene eboxini.
I'm just surprised, my Lord, when they say I have other cases at Nongoma, yet nobody has been called, no station commander has been called to that effect.
Yes.
Na kwanongoma kuno brigadier awuthi obrigadier balapha eHouten uphela kwanongoma khona obrigadier bakhona.
And even at Kwanongoma, my Lord, we do have brigadiers. It's not that only Gauteng has the privilege of having brigadiers.
Mr. Ntanzi, you digressed. The question was that Sergeant Mokhane testified that from December they were looking for you, and you then said he doesn't specify the year, and we then said if you look at line 20, he does specify that it was late 2019 and early 2020.
Mzansi Ntanzi ebesithanda ukuthi kusukhombisa khona ke ile nkulumo lo uye wayisho ukuthi ke ngale nkathi ke yena ke uMokhane ethula ufakazi bakhe ke azange achaza ukuthi ke uDecember umuphunyaka la khoma ngayo. Uthi ke umbuso ke siyazama ukukhombisa ukuthi mobheka la line 20 ke ngofakazi kaMzansi Mokhane ke uMokhane uyachaza la enkantolo ukuthi ke bekusepheleni kwa2019 noma ke eqaleni nje kwa2020.
Kwakhona phambi kwecourt angithi mina iqhuluma ivezwe yimi ukuthi lapha lento engifundela usisi ayivezi ukuthi bengifuna ngamophunyaka kwawena mshushisi uyijampile wayofunda phansi usuzoyifunda ngona isikhulunywa yimi lapha ekhona.
My Lord, I am the one who raised the issue that from Mr. Mokhane's evidence he did not specify at December of which year, and even the state when they were reading this document they actually jumped that line that specify which year. They only now went back to it when I raised this question to them.
Manje lo 2019 akhuluma ngathi bengifuna kulona iqiniso le mina kube wemfuna wayezongithola.
And again this 2019 where he mentioned that he looked for me, it is not the truth, because if indeed he was looking for me he would have found me.
If you turn the page over, that's page 15 of the proceedings of 2 November 2023. It says, line 3, on 16 June we did arrive at Bokeng, and just before that at line 1, maybe just for the sake of completeness, we'll put that on record as well. We then put it to him that he testified that he was with Sergeant Mabena. Then what happened? He then said On 16 June, we did arrive at Phokeng, and we asked him which year. He said that was in 2020. And the portion that we wish to put emphasis on is at line 7. Sergeant Mokhane, since the informer have informed us where we would find Bongani Ntanzi, he then directed us to that place.
Uma sesiqhubeka ke ngofakazi bakhe ke umzana Mokhane masibheke ke ikhasi le number 15 lobufakazi bange2 zika November ngo2023 umbuso ke uye wasumbuza ukuthi ke uye wabeka la inkantolo wathi ke beno Sergeant Mabena kwasekwenzakalani wathi Mokhane ke mhla ka16 June siye safika ke lapha ePhukeng wasebuza umbuso ukuthi u16 June wamupha unyaka waphendula uMokhane wathi ke unyaka ke u2020 indawo ke sifuna ukuthi ubheke kakhulu ke esicinezela kuyona ke ile khathi uMokhane ke sekakhuluma ukuthi ke sukela ngoba manje informer ke iyasitshela ukuthi uBongani Ntanzi singamfica kuphi wasesiya ke lapho ke kuleyo ndawo leyo.
Do you to provide comment?
That is not correct.
Kwayona informer la wayengangena ngalapha ecourt izotshela icourt ukuthi yayime ngikhomba amaphoyisa makuthi iqiniso lento ayikhulumayo.
Even the informer never came before the court to come and testify to that effect that he's the one that directed the police officers of my whereabouts. If indeed he was telling the truth, he was supposed to have come.
Manje yena uthi futhi la ukhuluma ngani uthi uhambe waye ePhukeng mina ngihlala ePhukeng. Wakhomba ukuthi inkulumo yakhe mina ngathina ngafanisa njengokuthi inzwabethi uzokhohlisa icourt. Ngafuna uqonde ngqodi hayi ngiyile endlini yakhe Freedom Park. iPhukeng ne Freedom Park zendawo ehlukene.
And from what he testified about, he mentioned that he went to Phukeng. My Lord, I don't reside at Phukeng. I would just say that his evidence is a hearsay and he's trying to mislead the court. Phukeng and where I stay in Freedom Park are two different places.
No, but Sergeant Mokhane did testify here in court. It's not hearsay.
Kodwa ke umzana Mokhane ke uye weza inkantolo wama la ume khona nawe wathula ufakazi la inkantolo asinzwa bethi lokho akushilo ngoba ube khona la inkantolo.
Yimi ngisho ukuthi ukukhohlisa inkantolo.
I'm the one that says that Sergeant Mokhane is misleading the court.
In which respect?
Ukhohlisa inkantolo ngani?
Ngokuthi mina ngihlala ePhukeng, ngihlala ePhukeng.
By saying to the court that I stay at Phukeng, I don't reside at Phukeng. I reside in Freedom Park.
But where is Freedom Park?
Kodwa Freedom Park ukuphi yona?
Ise Rustenburg indawo eMine.
Rustenburg, the mine area.
Is it not in the greater Phokeng area?
Kodwa ayiweli ngaphansi kwePhukeng.
Cha ngiyazi anginalo ulwazi lalokho.
No, I don't know. I don't have knowledge of that.
Ngoba ama police station ngisondelene nawo mathathu lapha. So ukuthi yona iphekwe lapha kweFreedom Park angazi.
Because I'm closer to 3 police station and I have no idea or I have no knowledge of which one falls under Freedom Park.
We'll get to a portion where Sergeant Mokhane testified that they first went to the Phokeng police station before they came to your place and that they were accompanied by the Phokeng police station to your room.
Sizophinde ke sifike kule ndawo le khathi umzana Mokhane ke ethula ufakazi lenkantolo echaza ukuthi ke baqala ke baye ePhukeng police station ngaphambi ukuthi bafike kuwe futhi uma bezwa kuwe ke baye baphelezela ke amaphoyisa lapha ePhukeng.
Leyo nkosi enkantolo efuna bona ngangingekho mina lapha. Bebe ngitshena icourt ukuthi ama police station ayi3 engiseduzane nawo. Bona washuza le abayithanda bona.
My Lord, that is their cup of tea. I was just telling the court that the police stations that are closer to me are 3 police stations.
And on the 19th of June 2020, after your room was searched, is that correct that a case was opened at Phokeng police station?
Manje ke sicela ukubuza ukuthi mhla ka19 June ngo2020 emva kokuthi ke sebaseshe ke erumini lapho ke iyavula icase lapha ePhukeng police station.
Angibazi bona mina ngivula amacala mina.
I don't know, my Lord, since I don't open cases.
Yes, but
Lo ngaba khona mhlawumbe nomuntu azangimangalele umuntu.
Since I was born, I've never opened a case against anyone.
yes, but Mr. Ntanzi, we've been through that. We referred you to the notice of rights as per exhibits PP 1 and 2. indicating that a case was opened in Phokeng for possession of unlicensed ammunition, Phokeng 118/6/2020.
Nomzana Ntanzi ke sesidlule kulodaba lolu ke siyasakubekela ngaphambilini ukuthi ke emva ukuthi ke sebafikile ke basesha room lakho ke khona ke icase eyavula lapha ePhukeng police station iqala ke bothisa lo icala utholakala ke ngezinhlamvu.
Yebo ngiyakuzwa.
I can hear that.
We also referred you to entries in the SAP 10, the occurrence book of Phokeng, exhibit PP in brackets 1, where entries were made regarding this CAS number under which you were arrested, CAS Phokeng CAS 118/6/2020 for possession of ammunition.
Futhi ke siyasakukhombisa futhi ke nencwadi ke lapho kubhalwa khona konke okwenzakalayo ke lapha police station abayibiza ukuthi occurrence book esePhokeng lapho ke kwabhalwa khona ukuthi ke wena uboshelwe ini ukutholakala ke ngendlamvu.
Bese enkantolo mina nginqaba ngayo ke lento efundwa lapho ukuthi ngaye ePhokeng nokuthi angiyanga nginqaba ngami mina ngithe ama police station aseduzane naleya ndawo ngisho mathathu.
My lords, I did not actually deny what has been placed on record that I was taken to Phokeng. What I mentioned to the court is that the police stations that I'm closer to are 3 different police stations.
Manje abantu ukuthi mina bashuza iphi police station yiba bayifuna la ngangingekho mina lapha.
The choice of the police station, they are the one who made that choice, my lord. I was not there.
But the evidence, Mr. Ntanzi, that is before court is that the matters from Freedom Park fall under Phokeng Police Station, as indicated by the fact that the Phokeng Police accompanied Sergeant Mokhane and Sergeant Mabena on the 16th of June 2020, and the fact that when the police opened a docket for possession of ammunition on the 19th of June, it was open at Phokeng Police Station.
Mnumzane Ntanzi ke amacala ke asendaweni ke le ese Freedom Park ke alona ke ayenzwa ke police station le yasePhokeng. Futhi okwesibili ke siyasakubekela ukuthi ke uMokhane ke nayo uMabhena ke baphelezelwa ke amaphoyisa aphuma khona lapha ePhokeng police station ngalenkathi ke kuvula idocket ke lokutholakala ke ngenhlamvu zesibhamu mhla ka-19 June ngo-2020.
Mina nkosi enkantolo ngikwazi lokho.
My lord, I have no knowledge of that.
Ukuthi amaqala ase Freedom Park awele ePhokeng ngazi amavena ase Pitikong ngawasehlabani ayahamba lapha e-election ePhithizela.
I did not know, my lord, that the cases from Freedom Park are serviced by Phokeng police station, since I've seen the vans from other police stations.
Police station la se koni police station wathi seKanana.
At Kanana police station will hover around the area,
Kube police station la sehlabani.
and also the Hlabane police station vans.
Ayahamba amavena khona lapha engihlala ngakhona.
They'll hover around the area where I stay, my lord.
We have referred you to line 7, where Sergeant Mokhane testified that the informer had informed them where they would find you, and he then directed them to that place. You countered by saying that the informer has not testified in court.
Siyasakubekela futhi ke la line 7 ngalenkathi umzana Mokhane ethula ufakazi bakhe echaza la inkantolo ukuthi ke informer ke iyona ke yabatshela ukuthi ke ubongani Ntanzi angathola kuphi waseba director futhi nokuthi kuphi. Wena impendulo yakho wathi ke informer lo khulunywa ngayo lo akazange aze nala inkantolo ezothula ufakazi.
Yeah, mina zange ngibona ko izosho ukuthi ephambi kwecourt ukuthi hayi yimi engakhomba uTanzi amaphoyisa.
Yes, I did not see the informer coming before the court to testify that he is the one that actually pointed Ntanzi to the police.
Yes. But the legal position is that informers, the identity of informers is not disclosed, and they in general do not testify in court.
Ngokuya ke ngomthetho ke ama informer ke okokuqala awavezwa futhi ke awezi nasenkantolo azothula ufakazi.
Ayangazi ukuthi ngiyaqala ngongena lapha ecourt.
I did not know that since it's my first time appearing before the court.
Right. Proceeding, Sergeant at line 10, we then said, put the following to Sergeant Mukhani. You followed up the information, what happened then. Then at line 12, Sergeant Mukhani testified as follows. We went there during the day and where he showed us where Ntanzi could be found. That is now the informer.
Umbuso ke uyawabuza ke umnjani Mukhani ukuthi yebo ke yena landela ke yonke information leni inikeziwe kwase kwenzakalani emva kwaloko ke uthi Mukhani ke siyahamba ke saya lapho ke nje mini lapho ke informer ke yasikhombisa ukuthi uNtanzi angatholakala kuphi.
Do you have any comment?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho kuloko.
ngangingekho
I was not there.
ne-informal okhuluma ngayo angiyazi.
Even the informer that you are mentioning is unknown to me.
Now, is it correct that Sergeant Mukhani and Sergeant Mabena were traveling in a Toyota Fortuner on the 16th of June 2020 when they came to arrest you?
Iqiniso ukuthi ke uSergeant Mukhani ke noSergeant Mabena mhla ka 16 June ke kathi bazokubopha ke bebahamba ngeToyota Fortune.
Yeah, babamba ngemoto emhlophe.
Yes, they were traveling in a white motor vehicle.
And it's common cause that this Toyota Fortuner is fitted with a tracking device, an AVL, automatic vehicle location.
And futhi akuphikiswana ukuthi ke leyo moto leyo ke inayo umshini lo wokutrack ukhona phakathi kwaleyo moto.
Akuphikiswana noba nami noma nabo amaphoyisa.
Ufakazi ubazekalayo lokuthi le moto le inomshini wokutrack.
Mina ngazi ukuthi mina ngisele iphoyisa nangisebenza.
I have no idea since I'm not a police officer.
The AVL, the auto vehicle location records of the Fortuner have been handed up as Exhibit M in brackets 2 before this court.
Amaphepha ke ama-record ayile moto le ekhombisa ukuthi ine-tracker afakwa la enkantolo ke kwaba ke ufakazi ke ubizwa Exhibit MM.
Oh.
And in this regard, we wish to refer you to Exhibit M2, the AVL for the Toyota Fortuner on the 16th of June 2020, as appears on page 18 of the AVL records, Exhibit MM2. The last line there on page 18, it gives the registration number of the Toyota Fortuner, FV47LRGP, says date and time, 2020, 0616, says the time, 1508:59, says ignition off, and it gives the location as near Baobab Street, Freedom Park, Rustenburg Rural. You see that?
Yakubona ke lokho ubhalwe kulombiko lo ama-record wayo ke i-tracker le yale moto ke le iyaveza le kamphepha lokuthi ke usuku ke bekuyi-16 zika June ngo-2020 futhi imoto yakhona ke i-Toyota Fortuner futhi udate ke 16 June 2020 isikhathi u-15:08:59 ichaza nokuthi ke ignition imoto le beyicinyiwe nokuthi ke ibambe indawo ilokishi lapho bekhona ke bese Freedom Park.
Freedom Park is where you stay, is it correct?
Uhlala Freedom Park wena ngithi?
Yeah.
Yes.
If you turn over the page to page 19, the vehicle remains there near Baobab Street, Freedom Park, Rustenburg Rural, up until 15:34 and 11 seconds, still on the 16th of June 2020.
Uma ubheka kuleli ikhasi futhi esilivulile ke imoto ke isabonakala khona lapha neTotal Furniture lapha eBaobab Street isikhathi manje ke 15:34:11 khona lapha eRustenburg futhi nosuku futhi aseyizi 16 zika June ngo2020.
Then at 15:34:11 it says start up near Baobab Street, Freedom Park, Rustenburg Rural. The car starts driving from 15:37 on the 16th of June 2020.
Uma ubheka futhi ke yakhomba ukuthi imoto ke iyaqala futhi ke yadunyiswa futhi ke ukuthi ihambe ke isikhathi ke iswe ke 15:37.
So you see that the Toyota Fortuner was in your area earlier on.
Uyakubona lokho sisho ukuthi ke iToyota Furniture ke bise endaweni le ohlala kuyona.
Between these times, 15:08:59 and 15:34:11.
Ngale nkathi ke u15:08:59 no 15:34:11.
Ngiyabona.
Yes, I can see that.
Kodwa kimi endlini yami bengakafiki ngalesi sikhathi lesi.
Because, but however,
Lesesibhalwe la.
in my place, my lord, they had not arrived at my place of residence at this time that is indicated on this report.
Yes, but this accords with the evidence of Sergeant Mohani at line 12, the passage that we have just referred to, where Sergeant Mohani testified that we went there during the day and where the informer showed us where Ntanzi could be found.
Lama record ke la yahambisana ke nabufakazi buka Mohane ngale nkathi Mohane ke ebeka la inkantolo ke fakazi ukuthi saya lapho ke emini nje ngale nkathi ke informer ke isikhombisa ukuthi ke uNtanzi singamfica kuphi.
Mina ngangingekho ne-informer bekhuluma la net.
I was not there, my lord, when they were having this discussion with the informer.
Mangimamela le nkulumo le kawungiyakho umhani nomshushisi hayi yammeli wami nami na.
Listening to this evidence, it was a communication between the prosecutor and Mohane, not myself and my legal representative.
Yes, we just demonstrating to you that there's objective evidence, the AVL exhibit MM in brackets 2, that supports the evidence of Sergeant Mohani that they went to Freedom Park during the day, where the informer showed them where you can be found.
Esikusho ukuthi ke khona ke ubufakazi ke la inkantolo ke obuhambelana ke nofakazi obeke yona uMohane ngalenkathi esho uMohane ukuthi ke baya lapha nje emini futhi informer ke yasebakhombisa ukuthi ke uNtanzi angatholakala kuphi.
Okay.
Okay.
So once again, the point that we want to buttress, Mr. Ntanzi, is that the police knew where to find you, knew about you, so they couldn't have said they were looking for Siyanda Buthelezi, Sergeant Mohani and Mabena.
Esithanda ukubeka khona emzani Ntanzi ukuthi amaphoyisa bewakwazi futhi bebazi ukuthi bazokuthola kuphi akwenzeke ukuthi ke bebangafika kuwena ke bathi bafuna ke uSiyanda Buthelezi.
Cha akulona iqiniso lelo.
That is not correct.
Right,
Mina
continue.
ngikushilo lapha ekhotha ukuthi Mabena nguye owambiza ngoSiyanda Buthelezi.
I did mention before the court that Mabena referred to me or called me Siyanda Buthelezi.
Futhi singasho kwephambi kwekhotha ukuthi umhani wadaletha inform. Umhani okhuluma iphutha methi akulona iqiniso, methi wadaletha inform. Mina bangifonela ngithi ngaba direct ukuthi ngihlala.
And it is not correct what Mohane testified before the court that the informer is the one that directed them to where I was staying. They called me, my lord, and I was the one that directed them of my whereabouts.
When did you direct them?
Oba directed him.
Angithi bangifuna ngumkhula ngamdirect ngihlala kuphi ngamthethe ngihlala kuphi akusisi sigebengu. Mina lapha ngiyasebenza.
Mohane called me and I've informed him where I was staying, my lord. I'm not a criminal, I'm working.
Yes, we have covered this aspect yesterday that Sergeant Mofola was not working on your cases. It was Sergeant Mohane who was assigned your matters.
Izolo ke siye sakubekela dala ukuthi ke uMokhane ke bengasuyena umuntu ke ubesebenza ke ngamacala wakho uMokhale uyena ke ubenza ama case wakho.
Lapha sikhuluma ngeteam e1 la. Asikhuluma ngamaphoyisa ehlose. Sikhuluma ngamaphoyisa namanje ngathoti ulanda amaphepha uzothola isignature kaMkhulu uthole kaMhani.
My lord, here we are talking about one set of police officials. We're not talking about different officials. Even if we can go now and retrieve documents, you'll find both their signatures, Mokhane and Mokhale.
Continue with the evidence of Sergeant Mokhane. At line 15, he then testified as follows, Sergeant Mokhane. And then 16 June 2016, we went to the Phokeng police station as we had posited to you that Freedom Park falls under the policing precinct of Phokeng police station.
Siqhubeke futhi manje ngabufakazi ke bakhe mzane Sergeant Mokhane ngalenkathi ethula ubufakazi la enkantolo ethi ke mhla ka 16 June ngo2016 ke siye saqhubeka saya ke Phokeng police station ke njengoba siye sakubekela ukuthi ke iFreedom Park ke iwela ke ngaphansi kwe police station le yase Phokeng.
He said it is a custom that when we go to a different place, we need to go first to the local police station and ask for assistance.
Uthi ke kuyindlela ke esebenza ngayo noma okwenziwa ngayo ukuthi ke uma ke siya endaweni ke ehlukene engasindawo esebenzela kuyona thina siya kuleyo police station le lapho le ndawo le ke sicela amaphoyisa alapho ukuthi ke asize.
Do you have any comment?
Khona ufuna ukusho mhlambe kulokho.
Kusho yena.
That's what he says.
Mina khodi ngithethe ama protection seduzana mathathu ukuthi yipe wela ngaphi angazi.
My lord, that is his evidence, but I did indicate to the court that where I stayed there are 3 police stations which I'm closer to. However, I don't know which police station service which area.
Ngoba ngishejele mangene ejele akaze ngihlala abantu basephukene bengihlala abantu aba attend court kuphi ababoshwe ngaphasi kwehlabana azange ngimixwe nabantu basephukene kodwa ngingena abantu basehlabana ejele Ramshana.
Even when I was in prison, my lord, I was never detained in the same place with people from Phokeng. I was only detained with the people from Tlhabane.
Uma ukuthi ke ngangwele ephukene ngafuna ngihlale esection yabantu basephukene akaze ngihlale khona ngihlale police station esehlabana.
If indeed I was arrested at Phokeng, I was supposed to have been placed in a section where people from Phokeng are.
Then at line 22, Sergeant Mokhane testified as follows. Then we informed them that we come from the National Cold Case Unit and we do not know the place and we do not trust anyone.
Uyaqhubeka ke uMokhane uthi ke masifika lapho kuleyo police station ke sasesibazisa ukuthi ke thina sibuya kuphi ku National Cold Case Unit nokuthi futhi ke asiyazi nendawo futhi ke asithembi umuntu.
Then at line 16,
Uthi abasayazi nendawo.
Is he saying that they don't know the area?
yes, that is what stands here.
Yebo yikho okusho la ukuthi abayazi le ndawo le bebekuyo.
Kodwa nathi imoto ibikhona emini khona lapho ngabo 3 akasayazi futhi yena.
But their car was around the area around 3. Now he comes to court, he does not know the area anymore.
I-informer futhi ibakhombile ukuthi mina ngikhona la akasayazi futhi phambi kwakho.
And the informer has directed them of my whereabouts. Now he comes again and says he does not know the area.
Yes, Mr. Ntanzi, the evidence of Sergeant Mokhane is that in keeping with practice, you first go to the local police station and ask for assistance.
Ubufakazi
That is what they did.
ufakazi bakuMokhane ukuthi ke ngokuya ke ngendlela okusetshenzwa ngayo uma ke wena usuka uya endaweni ongasebenzeli kuyona ke ukwenzayo kufanele kuye kule police station ekule ndawo leyo uye uyobika khona kube yibo abantu bakule ndawo leyo abakusizayo.
Kosenkantolo ngiyathemba mina mhlambe ngizwa nganye indlela. Mina ngiyathemba ukuthi mangasuka la mhlambe ngisuka la ngiyoshumayela mhlambe khona into engimfuna mangifika ngembona ngizofika ngibatshele lapho ngithi ukuthi hayi ngimbonile ukhona emzini wakwandwando or emzini wakwangubani oshumayela ukhona manje imoto la iyile Freedom Park ngo3 phinde yena aqale futhi sekhuluma ukuthi la indawo le akayazi but informa futhi ukuthi imkhombile ikhona kuphi.
My lord.
Sorry. Otherwise, we're going to be here until Mandela rises from the dead.
Yeah.
Police practice is when you get to a locality where you're not stationed at and you are going to facilitate an official journey to do whatever the police have to do. You have to start at the local police station. Practically, that's basically what Mohat. It's not about playing Fafi or dice or casino to guess where these guys would. In Phuket, there's a police station. They must contact the local police officers to tell them of their presence. That's all. And it's police procedure. Doesn't need you to be a member of the Khanyani or whatever.
Mnumzane Ntanzi inkosi enkantolo ke ichaza ukuthi mhlambe ngithombe kabanzi ngaloko okushoyo ukuthi ke le ndaba le ilula ukuthi ke ngendlela okusetshenzwa ngayo esiphoyiseni uma ke mhlambe uyiphoyisa elakho endaweni ethize uya kwenye indawo ungasebenzeli kuyona awumani ufike lapha ufike wenza umsebenzi wakho uyaqala manje ke uyozibika emzini lapha uye khona ukuthi ke thina singamaphoyisa abuya kuphi ke size ngendaba uthiza awumani ufike nje wenza ingendlela amaphoyisa asebenza ngayo.
Mina ngiyakuzwa kokushoyo kodwa sisi wami kakhulu nokukhulu kusithoba uma ukuthi yini pho amaphoyisa asephuke engasondelana ke ukusondela bona bobabili.
My lord, I do understand what the court is saying, but however, my question is that why didn't the Phuket police station be the one to come to me? Why is it them specifically?
Yes, but the cold case unit will assist with your matter and not the Phuket police who assist with your matter.
Isizathu ukuthi ke ilona le unit le cold case unit yona ibisebenza ngicala leli lakho hayi amaphoyisa la sephukeni ingakho ke kuze bona laba abase cold unit.
Lo ncwadi mhlawumbe ngayibona niphambi kwecourt ukuthi ngapela bayenze incwadi yokucela ipolice station lasephukeni ukuthi bakhaphe bayisendlini angazange ngiyibone lapho khona mina bangazange ngikhombise.
Is it possible for me to see that particular document that shows that they approached the Phuket police station and requested, them to assist?
Yes.
Because I was never shown, even my attorney has never seen that document.
You'll recall that when the police went to search your room on the 19th of June 2020, you yourself said they were accompanied by the Phuket police. Is that not so?
Usakhumbula ke ngalenkathi ke amaphoyisa ke ayosesha ke room lakho ke nge-19 zika June ngo-2020 nawe futhi ke uye washo ukuthi ke bebehamba namaphoyisa sephukeni usakhumbula ukusho lo?
Ngiyakhumbula.
Yes, I do recall
Iphike lo
that.
ncwadi leyo ke.
Where is that? Where is the search warrant?
Right. Moving along with the evidence of Sergeant Mokhane, if you turn over to page 16. Line 1 to 3, Sergeant Mokhane testified as follows. They also agreed to accompany us to where we, Ntanzi Bongani, stay, or the place that we have been shown during the day.
Uma sesiqhubekela phambili ke lapha ekhasini number 16 ke uMokhane ke uthi ke baye bavuma ukuthi basiphelezele kuya lapha ke uNtanzi Bongani ehlala khona kuleya ndawo leya esayikhonjiswa ke emini.
Okay, mina ngangingekho ngithi la.
Okay, I was not there.
And then continue with the evidence of Sergeant Mokhane testified that on our arrival, we knocked on the room which we had seen during the day, where Ntanzi is supposed to stay.
uMokhane yaqhubeka athi ke uma sesifika lapho ke siyasanqonqoza ke roomini leli ke salibona ngalenkathi sifikile emini kule room leli uNtanzi ukuthi akuhlala kulona.
Cha, kulona iqiniso la.
That is not correct.
Ngangilele mina ngangikhona endlini. Mangilala umnyango nguvale ngiyavula ngivale ibhakla kuphela.
I was inside the room, I was sleeping, and the door, I normally don't close the door when I sleep, I just close the burglar.
Ukuthi banokha kulona into iradio ayikhala endlini neredo.
And the radio was on inside the room. I have a radio.
You testified yesterday that the police came in the evening, Sergeant Mohani and Sergeant Mohola.
Uye wathi izolo ke amaphoyisa ke uSergeant Mohane noSergeant Mohola ke bafika entambama.
Akaze ngikhuluma ngomhula.
I never spoke about Mohola.
Mina ngikhuluma ngomabhena.
Mohani and Mabena,
Hayi
sorry.
umhula ngikwazi lokho sekukhuluma.
Okay, yakushintsha umbuso uthi Mohane noMabena uthe baye bafika ke kuntambama.
Uthe kwasekumnyama.
I said-
Elanga liyashesha ukushona into kwakubanda.
I said it was dark since the sun sets early since it was winter.
If we look at the evidence of Sergeant Mohani on page 17, the third sentence from the bottom, Sergeant Mohani says it was 2000 hours in the evening. The previous question that we asked him is on line 21. We asked him more or less, what time was it when you arrested him? And he said it was 2100 hours in the evening.
Uma ke sibheka ke ufakazi bakhe ke Mzana Mohane lapha ku page number 17 mangabheka lana osithathu kusuka lezansi ke uyasho ukuthi makaphendula uthi ke isikhathi ke beku 9 ebusuku. Uthi ke umbuso ke masubheka ke umbuzo lo sambuza wona ke ngaphambi ukuthi aphendule ke lempendulo le uye wathi ke bayabambuza ukuthi ke maningasho ke nimbophe ngesikhathi sini ile nkathi ke sekaphendula ukuthi beku 9.
Do you have any comment regarding the time of your arrest?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho ke malana nesikhathi lesokuboshwa kwakho makathi ke beku 9 ebusuku.
Because ngikanje lesikhathi angisibonanga.
My lord, I did not see the time.
Now, if once again we look at the AVL exhibits MM in brackets 2 on page 22, it shows on the 16th of June 2020 at 19:43 and 13 seconds, ignition off. The location says 85.00 kilometers northwest of Krugersdorp. And on the 16th of June 2020 at 2100 hours and 31 seconds, it says start up.
Manje ke uma sesibheka futhi ke kona lo mbiko wemoto le kuyakhuluma ngayo ke iAVL ke ubheka ke page number 22 umbiko lo uyakhombisa ukuthi ke mhla ka 16 June ngo2020 ke isikhathi ku 19:43:13 ikhombisa ukuthi ke ignition yaba ukuthi imoto yacishwa ngalesikhathi leso indawo ke bekuthi ku northwest ke ngase Krugersdorp. Uma sibheka futhi ke ngesikhathi esu 21:00:31 ikhombisa ukuthi baje start up imoto fida yaphinde futhi ya starting.
Mhlambe kulamaphepha sesingakubona kulamaphepha la angithi umhani uthi ngibophe ngo9 usho njalo ngithi umthetho wasebe mangibuka mina lamaphepha angiboni lapha athi imoto khona ifike imikhona ngo9 angikuboni kahle ngicela ngikobisa ikhanda.
My lord, from Mohane's evidence he did mention to the court that he arrested me at 9, but from this AVL report I don't see a portion where it shows that he came to where I was at 9.
No, sir, but we have just quoted the AVL report indicating that the vehicle arrived at 8, 1943, says ignition off, and then at 21:00:31, the vehicle was then started.
Kodwa mnumzane ke sicela ukubeka manje ukuthi ke uma ungabheka ke lo mbiko lo babiza AVL report le iyasho ireport lokuthi ke ngo 19:43:13 bebengalapho ukhona futhi imoto ibicinyiwe ngoba ithi ignition off isikhathi ngo 19:43:13 iphinde futhi ke ikhombe ukuthi indawo ke bekuyi northwest ithi futhi umbiko futhi lona ke mawubheka futhi ngo 21:00:31 imoto futhi siyaduma futhi
Kasi nganto le ndawo le Krugersdorp. Indawo eleng ibote indawo ithawa yaleng ngase Waterfall Mall. Ngakubakwena toll gate.
My lord, this place, the Krugersdorp, is the place that is close to Waterfall Mall at Bakwena.
Ayikhona ngasela kuze lapha mangihlala ngakhona indawo nendawo ethi Krugersdorp.
This place is not close to where I reside.
Uyaphuma ngisho edrobheni eRustenburg ingene indlela ethi Krugersdorp, Johannesburg, angazi ibize nePitori, nayo i-toll gate Bakwena.
You have to leave completely where I stay, and then you follow the route that says Krugersdorp, and then Johannesburg, Nanfusi,
nePitori.
and Pretoria.
But Mr. Ntanzi,
Mina ngicela isikhathi lesi athi umhana ongibophe ngo9. Ngithi ngicela ukuboniswa kule AVR ngaphela imoto ayise Freedom Park ngalesi sikhathi sika9.
All I'm requesting, my lord, since Mohane testified that he arrested me at this particular time at 9 in the evening, I just am requesting that I be shown from this AVL report a portion where it shows that at this particular time Mohane arrested me. The car was there where I reside.
yes. Mr. Ntanzi, if you look at page 18, the previous entry on the AVL that we referred to, you'll see that the longitude is 27.2320. These are now the coordinates. 272320, 25.5606. And if you look at the coordinates on the 22nd, I'm sorry, on page 22, at the times that we've indicated, 1943, 13 and 2100 hours, 31 seconds. The coordinates are 27.1625. That is the longitude. The latitude is 25.5731. And if you compare the two, you will see that they fall within the same range.
Mnumzane Ntanzi ke uyabekumela ukuthi ke umbuso ukuthi ke uma ubheka ke ngokuya ngayo le report leke iyakhombisa kahle kahle ukuthi le ndawo le ikuphi ke uma ke uyibheka ke mhlambe njengasemepini mawubheka isikhathi lesi ke 1943 13 page 18 no page 22 zoyi2 zibonakala ke ziyindawo eyodwa.
Cha yimi ngihlala eNorthwest because indawo ehlukene lezi.
My lord, I am the one that stays in Northwest. These areas or places are two different areas.
If we can just go back to your previous answer, did you say that the police did not knock when they arrived at your room?
Masiphinde ke sibuyele futhi ke emuva ke kule mpendulo ke yoyinikazi inkantolo uthe amaphoyisa azange ngqongqothe ngale nkathi afike kamereni lakho erumini lakho.
Angqongqothe ebusuku hayi emini.
They only knocked at night, not during the day, my lord.
Mina mangizwa kathi sisantela uthana amaphoyisa afike kimi emini akokoda ngithi mina azange kufike iphoyisa kimi emini ngangikhona endlini.
If I understood the interpretation from the interpreter, she said the police came and knocked, my lord, and I said no, they did not.
Mayisebuye ebusuku kimi sengisekokoda ebusuku lesikhathi sengisukuma ngivula mina hayi mina azekokotela iphoyisa.
And when they came now in the evening and knocked, that is when I opened for them, not during the day. During the day, they did not knock.
Yes, Mr. Ntanzi, don't confuse two issues. We have referred to the evidence of Sergeant Mohane where he said they came during the day to locate your place. In other words, to survey the, your place or to do a reconnaissance of your place. They did not go in.
Mnumzane Ntanzi ungaphambanisa into ezimbili ke esikusho ukuthi ke ngale nkathi ke amaphoyisa afika emini afike nje kuphela ke uzobheka indawo awazange eze kuwe afika nje azobheka indawo la uhlala khona ngalenkathi efike emini
Cha,
According
cha,
to,
cha.
sorry,
Cha, phambi kokuba cha, fanele ngiphendule cha, phambi kwenkosi enkantolo. Noma ngavula irecord manje speaker sizosho umshushisi uthe kimi sisi uma ngitolekela. Uthi amaphoyisa afikile neVR nathi yakhanda ngo3 angena akokota. Lethi na ngo3 ngangikhona endlela akekho umuntu wakokota manje red ekhanda.
My lords, even if we can go to the record from the interpretation that was interpreted to me, it was said that the police officers came around 3 and knocked. That is when I said no police officers came at that time.
Ingakho ngiphendula phambi kwenkosi enkantolo mina ngangikhona endlela akekho umuntu wakokota endlini yami.
That is-
Aleso sikhathi ngo3.
That is the reason why I gave my response saying nobody came to my place of residence around 3 and knocked.
Ngoba ngizentshela ikhoti umnyango angawuvalile ngangivale inibhaqla.
And that is why I further told the court that the door was not closed, sorry, only the butler was closed.
no, Mr. Ntanzi, you are mistaken. We've referred you to the evidence of Sergeant Mokhane, and the record will speak for itself, that they came during the day with an informer who showed them your place.
Mnumzane Mokhane, sorry, Mnumzane Ntanzi ke wenze iphutha ngoba ke siyesakubekela ke ufakazi uZana Mokhane ngalenkathi sithi ke uMnumzane Mokhane ke uye wafika emini neinformer bezobheka nje indawo yakho.
Now,
Cho,
according
angenza
to-
ngabhuda phambi kwekhoti sisi. Ngikhuluma ngento ekhulunywa ngumshushisi la phambi kwami. Angenza ngabhuda.
I did not make a mistake, my lord. I am saying exactly what the prosecutor said before the court.
We then referred you to page 16 of Mokhane's evidence, where he said they then went in the when they came to arrest you, they went to Pukem police station, and the Pukem police agreed to accompany them to where you stay, the place that we have been shown during the day. That's what we said.
Futhi ke esakusho futhi ukuthi ke siyesaye ke emaphoyiseni lasePhukeng amaphoyisa asePhukeng asevuma ke ukuthi angasiphelezela khona lapho ke kule ndawo le esayikhonjiswa emini.
And prior to that, on page 15, we referred you to the evidence of Sergeant Mokhane at line 12, where he testified that we went there during the day and where the informer showed us where Ntanzi could be found.
Sase sikhombisa futhi ufakazi bakhe uMokhane ngalenkathi ethi ke siyesaya lapho ke emini lapho ke informer ke iyasikhomba lapho ke Ntanzi ahlala khona.
So don't confuse the two situations. During the day, they came to locate your room. Then in the evening, they came with the Pukem police. That's when they knocked at the door of your room.
Ungaphambanisi lento lezi ezimbili kwenzakala emini nokwenzakala intambama ke baye bafika ke amaphoyisa lawa behamba ke namaphoyisa sePhukeng mabafika ke intambama lapho ke baye banokha ke eroomini lakho.
Do you understand it?
Mina
Uyakuzwa lokho?
sesayike into ihamisa phambi kwekhoti. Mina ngiphendula umbuzo ubuphuma kuye emlonyeni wakhe.
I'm not confusing anything, my lord. I'm just answering the question that came from the state.
Well,
Ingakho nginqabile phambi kwekhoti ukuthi umnyango wawungavaliwe endlini yami emini. Kwakuvala ibhaqla.
There is-
Ebusuku mina benokho ngase ngivalile
That is why, my lord, I denied that the door was closed. Only the butler was closed.
We've done our best to explain the evidence of Sergeant Mokhane. We move on. And we have referred you to page 16, where Sergeant Mokhane testified as follows. This is now after they've been to Pukem police station, and they were then accompanied by the Pukem police. Testified as follows, Sergeant Mokhane. On our arrival, we knocked on the room which we had seen during the day, where Ntanzi is supposed to stay.
Uyasho ke uMokhane ke emva kwesebayile lapha ke police station yasePhukeng uthi ke uma sesifika ke siyesangqongqotha kulela room leyana ke le bese sibonile ke emini lapho ke uNtanzi kuthi ohlala khona.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you understand now?
Yakuzwa lokho?
Ngiyakuzwa mase befika mina namaphoyisa eBhukeni bakokota.
Yes, when they came to me with the police from Phukeng, they knocked.
Yes.
Ngasukuma ngavuma.
I stood up and opened for them myself.
Ebusuku. hayi mina.
In the evening, not during
Yes.
the day.
Yes. This is what Sergeant Mukhani is testifying about here. Then at line 11, Sergeant Mukhani, we inform him that we are the police, and then he opened for us.
Uma ke sesiqhubekela phambili ke ngabe ufakazi kaMnumzane Mokhane ke uthi ke siye samtshela ukuthi ke thina singamaphoyisa waseza ke ezosivulela.
Ngangcobe mhlambe phambi kosekade ukuthi uMabhena wangitshela ukuthi singamaphoyisa ngakho ngoba ngingavuma hayi umhana.
My lord, this statement was going to make sense if Mabena was the one who said this, not Mr. Mokhane.
Now, was your previous evidence not to the effect that the more stout police officer of the two introduced himself? The stouter police of the two introduced himself.
I don't know the starter.
The bigger one of the two. Sorry.
Awuzange usho ukuthi ke uphisa ke lo ophezulu uyena ke uyawasichaza ukuthi ke ubani
Ophezulu.
ubaphethe nje osinya kubo.
No. The bigger one, the
Oh,
one who
the-
was
oh.
stoutish.
Unomzimba nje omkhulu.
Mawuthi kimi singamaphoyisa awulokho uzothini? Angazi ngingathini ngezulu. Angithi mawufika kumuntu uyayibika. Uthi hayi mina ngubongane ngisuka kuphi? KwaNongoma esigodini sasoSuthu ngize kuwe. Bese kuthi na okay. Uze ngani ke? Mawuthi ukuthi kimi hayi ngifuna wena ndoda uqonda ukuthini?
My lord,
Ukuyibika lokho.
I believe that when somebody comes to you as a police officer, they will introduce myself, maybe introduce themselves as Bongane, they are coming from Nongoma. Not that they will just come and say, hey, we are looking for you. Is that introducing yourself in that manner?
Akusikho ukuzibika ngezulu lokho.
That is not introducing yourself in Zulu, my lord.
Now, of the two police officers, Sergeant Mukhani and Sergeant Mabena, who was more stout between the two?
Kulaba babili ke uMokhane noMabhena ubani bekanomzimba nje omkhulu.
Umuntu onomzimba omkhulu umkhana kana umzimba umkhana ondlekile ngapha nesiso ondlekile mncane ngezathu uMabhena ube nomkhaba naye futhi ufiti
Mokhane is bigger up, my lord, and then smaller down, and then Mabhena unjani?
uMabhena unomkhaba naye uyambona ukuthi umuntu wakwajim
Mabhena also had a big tummy. You can see that he used to exercise, my lord.
masithiwa sikhuluma umuntu omkhulu umuntu bamkhulu ngapha nangapha akukho ukuthi ngaba mkhulu ngayidla ngibe mncane ngezathu omdaka mkhulu
If we are talking about somebody being big, we are referring to both up and down is big, not only one part of the body is big.
Because your evidence was that after they had entered your room, they asked for your identity document. You also asked for their identity document. And you say only the well-built one produced his identity document was Sergeant Mokhane. He said he's with Sergeant Mabena. That was your evidence.
Ufakazi bakho ke uye wathi ke ngale nkathi ke sebafika ke roomini lakho ke bayabafuna ke i-ID yakho wena futhi wasethi ke lo wakheke kahle ke le uMokhane uyena lo yakhuluma nawe
wakheke kahle
well built wakhekile nje unomzimba.
because enkantolo mina kuze ID yami iphume kuba ngigama lika Siyanda kube bengangenzi ngoba bengibizi ngoSiyanda ID yami angangikhipha esikhwameni kuyi-wallet ngihlala ku-wallet wami.
My lord, the reason why my ID was produced is because we're just arguing about this name Siyanda. If there were no issues about the name, I would not have taken my ID.
Ngoba futhi uma bengena endlini bathi kimi sifuna wena kodwa siyaphuma sikhuluma phandle asikhulumeni la endlini sikhulumela phandle phambi kwe-RDP.
And when they got to the house, they said they were looking for me. We moved out of the house and had a conversation outside the house, the RDP house.
But the point that we are canvassing now, you said Sergeant Mokhane did not introduce himself, but here we are quoting your evidence where you said Sergeant Mokhane produced his identification and he said he was with Sergeant Mabena.
Kodwa ke into esisho ukuthi ke wena uye wathi uSergeant Mohane ke azange ke azazibike ukuthi ubani kodwa efakazini bakho uye wathi uMohane ke uye wazibika waze washo ukuthi ke uhamba no Sergeant Mabena.
Sesiphandla ngithi hayi endlini eRomeni.
When we're now outside, not
Lokho
inside the room.
ngiyavuma. Sesiphandla hayi endlini.
I am agreeing to the fact that that happened when we're outside the room,
Maybe-
not inside the
Bayithi
room.
umuntu unkosikazi ngeliphoyisa akafake uniform tokuqala ayikho into ayiphethe ngesandla kongikhomisa nani iphepha ngizokubopha ngalo nayi license yami lezo license ngiyibona phandla hayi eRomeni.
My Lord, when somebody comes and introduces themselves as a police official, firstly, they are in civilian clothes and they're not producing any ID. The ID, I only got to see the ID when we're now outside when he was introducing himself.
But please, would this be an appropriate time to take the normal shorter journey?
Yeah, fine. Rise.